Welcome to the story, The Greedy Dog.
There was a dog who was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere, and at last he found a bone. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a bridge on the way to his home. When he started crossing it, he saw his reflection in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in water. He wanted to get that other bone too. So he started barking at his own reflection. His bone fell in water as soon as he opened his mouth. The greedy dog lost his bone.
Moral of the story, do not be greedy.
Hello, children. I am an octopus. I live in the water. I have 8 arms.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about an octopus. This is an octopus. The octopus lives in water. It has big eyes and 8 arms. An octopus is a smart sea animal. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am a starfish. I live in the sea. I have 5 arms.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about starfish. This is a starfish. A starfish lives in the sea. Most starfish have 5 arms. They have a spiky body for protection. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am the letter B. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with B.
Hello, children. I am a ball. You can throw me and play with me. Hello, children. I am a basket. I help you keep things together. Hello, children. I am a balloon. I am light and colorful. I fly in the air. Hello, children. I am a boy. I like to play and have fun.
Hello, children. I am a bear. I am big and furry.
Hello, children. I am a banana. I am yellow and healthy to eat.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter B. Children, look at the pictures on the page which are surrounded by letter B. We can see a ball, a basket, a balloon, a boy, a bear, and a banana. All these words start with the letter B. Very good, children.
Hello, children. Guess where I went today? Yes, I went to a farm. I saw chicks doing cheep, cheep. Let's count chicks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! There are 8 cute chicks.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about the number 8. The number 8 comes after 7 and before 9. Let us count the chicks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 8 chicks. So children, this is the number 8. Very good.
Hello, children. I am the letter R. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with R. Hello, children. I am a rocket. I fly high in the sky and go to space. Hello, children. I am a rabbit. I like to hop and I love carrots. Hello, children. I am a ribbon. I am colorful and used for decoration.
Hello, children. I am rice. I am healthy food and give you energy.
Hello, children. I am a rainbow. I have many beautiful colors in the sky.
Hello, children. I am a rhino. I am big and strong and have a horn.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter R. Children, look at the pictures on the page which are surrounded by letter R. We can see many things like rocket, rabbit, ribbon, rice, rainbow, and rhino. All these words start with the letter R. Very good, children.
Hello, welcome to Rhyme. Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper. Went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper.
Hello, children. I am a goat. I give you milk.
Hello, friends. I am a sheep. My wool keeps you warm.
Hello, children. I am a cow. I give you healthy milk. Hello, kids. I am a buffalo. I also give you milk.
Hello, friends. I am a pig. I live on the farm. Hello, children. I am a hen. I give you eggs.
Hello, kids. I am a duck. I can walk and swim.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Children, here we can see a goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, pig, hen, and duck. These are all farm animals. They live on a farm and help us in many ways. Very good, children. See.
Hello, children. I am a tiger. I am strong and fast. I live in the forest.
Hello, children. I am a deer. I am gentle and run very fast. I love to eat grass.
Hello, children. I am a jackal. I look like a small wild dog. I live in the forest.
Hello, children. I am a lion. I am the king of the jungle. I am very brave.
Hello, children.
I am a hippopotamus.
I am big and heavy.
I live in water and on land.
Hello, children. I am a rhino. I have a big horn on my nose. I am very strong.
Hello, children. I am a monkey. I love to jump and play. I eat fruits and bananas.
Hello, children. I am a gorilla. I am big and powerful. I live in the forest.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about zoo animals. Children, we can see a tiger, deer, jackal, lion, hippopotamus, rhino, monkey, and gorilla. We can find these animals live in a zoo and also in forest. A zoo is a place where we can see wild animals safely and have fun watching them. Very good, children.